bomba rice, oil and fine chopped white onion, and we will just saute the onion. Now we will put saffron and we will mix it nicely. After some time it will be yellow because of saffron color. Now we will put bomba rice, it's a Spanish rice, and we will mix it nicely. And now we will add the water, hot water, till rice, because now we are making bomba rice, so it should be 70% cooked. So no need to wash this rice, it's already cleaned. So we will mix it. See, the yellow color is coming because of saffron. Almost our rice has been done, 70%. See the natural color of saffron. I'm not add any turmeric, okay, or no any yellow color. It's a natural color of saffron. About 70% rice has been done. For paella, now I will uh, remove it in a container. And now we will pour it in a container. Oh shit. It's a 70% already done. And when we will get any a la carte order, then that time we will cook more 30%, then it will be done. So almost it's a 70% done. Now we will spread it. See the gorgeous color of bomba rice.